Oh hi, welcome to the shopping haul, the one that you guys have been waiting for. First of all, I just want to apologize for leaving you guys on a cliffhanger last video. I'm so sorry, okay, I'm sorry. By the time I got home, I was tired and then like life just got hectic and crazy and I was just like, damn, I don't have time to film this haul until today. So apologies for making you guys wait. I'm so sorry. You'll understand soon, or you'll understand now. I don't know when I'm posting this and when I'm giving you the update, but it's been hectic, it's been crazy, and I really appreciate you guys for being patient and wonderful and amazing. So without further ado, let me give you a haul of everything that I bought. And if you haven't checked out the vlog yet, you're just clicking on this having no idea what's happening, go check it out. I'll leave it in the link down below and also up here on the card, wherever it is. I think I'm going to start with Mecca first because that's where I went first. So let me show you what I got from Mecca. Now I ended up getting 3 things from Mecca. Pretty big haul, wow. First thing I got, and I have been wanting to try for a while now, is their BB cream. Number 1, the packaging, so cute, so pretty. Number 2, I don't know why, but I feel like a BB cream gives that girl, like she just puts on a BB cream on her days where she's not feeling, you know, like doing a full face of makeup and she still wants to look good. Like I feel like BB cream is that item that I am just missing in my life. I got the shade 285 and the back of this is just telling me it's a lightweight BB cream made to go the distance. It's a medium coverage formula that applies like a second skin, radiant, off-duty looks. The second thing I got was a setting spray. I do not own one and I have been wanting to use a setting spray recently because I'm finding that my makeup is just running off by the end of the day and I'm like, damn. I hate that so much. Like I want it to stay on my face. So this one was just calling my name. It's called the Life Proof Makeup Setting Spray by the Mecca Max brand, and they had a bigger one, but obviously I bought the littler version so I can try it, see if I actually like it, and then I haven't wasted my money on a big product that I don't like. So I got the little one. Also picked up an eyeliner because I am currently using an eyeliner, but it's a very complicated process. So I've got like a pen and I've got the liquid and I dip the pen into the liquid and then I do my small little bit of eyeliner, and I was just like, I need something that's just in one product, good quality, it's gonna last, it's not gonna smudge. And I don't think I filmed this actually. I was getting overwhelmed at some point, I think it was when I was doing this, but I put it on my hand and it would not come off. Like I was rubbing it, I was trying to I licked my finger and tried to get it off, would not budge, it wasn't coming off. And I was like, hell yeah, it comes in brown, I am sold. So this is just a liquid eyeliner that is really smudge proof, nice skinny applicator, and this is called the Zoom Zip Liner in the shade brown, obviously. And yeah, I'm really happy with this. The second place I went to was Sephora. I got a moisturizer from Innisfree. I just needed a refill, so I already know I love this. It's my ride and die. I've been using this moisturizer now for 2 whole years. This is the green tea hyaluronic cream. This is my ride and die. Love this. And it is the one moisturizer where it doesn't clog up my pores, it doesn't make my face all greasy. Like it's just the perfect moisturizer. It cleared my skin. Like I'm loving it so much, and it's hydrating for my Sahara Desert skin. So open it up. Loving the packaging of Innisfree's stuff. It's so simple, it's so cute, and I love it. Okay, so the second thing I got from Sephora were these Pixie eye masks. They're the Detoxify Caffeine and Cucumber Depuffing eye patches, and these are the one and only eye patches I've actually used that feel like they suck the tiredness out of my eyes. And I have been needing this recently because I've been so stressed, I've been so puffy, and I'm just like, oh my god, I need to, you know what, I just need to suck everything out of my face. And these do it for me. I'm not even kidding. I'm not promoted, I'm not sponsored in any way, shape or form. I wish I was, because I love these so much. This is what they look like. You get a little spoon as well, and yeah, I cannot recommend these enough. They're my favorite. The last little thing I got from Sephora was a Laneige lip mask. I always say Laneige and you guys get pissed off at me. Apparently it's pronounced Laneige, but I'm just gonna say Laneige because that's how it rolls off my tongue, and it's not a big deal at the end of the day. Like how people pronounce things, it doesn't matter, it's fine. This is another product that I absolutely adore, but I just haven't restocked. And I ran out of it at the start of the year. It's now October, so it's been a while since my lips have actually been nicely hydrated. This is one of my favorite lip masks. It is Exy. It's $40 for this one tiny little, if I can open it, this tiny container, but it's super worth it because a little goes a long way. You get a little scoop as well, so you just scoop it, pop it on your lips. Amazing. I love how this smells. Like It's so yummy. It's like a creamy vanilla. It's just amazing. Okay, so the next place I went to was Uniqlo. Uniqlo is that one place where I will probably buy everything there. Like, it could all come home with me, not gonna lie. And when I went in there and saw these shorts, I tried them on and I was obsessed. I was in love. And these are just the perfect little shorts for spring and summer. And I love yellow. Don't know if you can tell right now. I love yellow. I cannot remember how much these were. Does it say? Oh, $24.90. I got an extra small. And yeah, I just cannot wait to wear them. I wasn't even gonna go and buy clothes, but here we are. I bought some shorts. I also then went to no, it wasn't Hair House Warehouse. It was Hair 𝑺𝑶𝑪𝑰𝑨𝑳𝑺. Oh my god, I don't even remember what it was called. It was some kind of hair place. It sold a lot of cool things that I thought were online only, but this store stocked them, which was amazing. And I've been in the market for a heat protectant for a long time. I went in there, I asked one of the employees, I was like, what heat protectant do you recommend? I need a good one. And she recommended this one. It's by the brand CPR, and I've never heard of this brand before. Like, I was like, okay. They also had done this in-store test. I wasn't there to see it, but I believe her, you know, she didn't have any reason to lie to me, where they put a lot of heat protectants to the test. So they sprayed it on some paper and then they ran a heat tool over the paper and saw which ones had the most protectant, I guess. So they did it with this one, and this one had the most protectant. It was just amazing, apparently. So I bought this. Next little place I went to was Chemist Warehouse. Now, I didn't actually film a lot in Chemist Warehouse because this store was overwhelming as hell. Like, there were people everywhere, you know, the signs were so bright, the lights were so bright. I was having a moment. I was like, oh my god, I don't even want to film. Like, I'm so overwhelmed. So I pretty much just got in and out. The first thing I got was this Dove exfoliating body polish. Now, I've actually used this in the past, but a different flavor. It was like the coconut one, and I loved that, but I just wanted to try something new. So I decided to get the pomegranate seeds and shea butter. I love using this before I tan. It just helps me smell amazing, number one, and to also remove all those dead skin cells and everything in between. And this just, oh wow, look at that. Stunning. I wish you guys could smell this because it smells delicious. Like, I just want to scoop it up and eat it. I'm not going to, okay? I'm not going to do that. But this smells incredible. It's one of my favorite exfoliants ever, and I just needed a top up. So I got the pink one. The second thing I got was a hair mask. Now, I actually went into Chemist Warehouse before I found that hair store where I got the protectant, and I was kind of mad about that because in the hair store they actually had the hair mask that I had been using previously, which was the Bondi Boost one. It was really good. I loved it for my hair, but I decided to try this one. This is the same brand of my dry shampoo, which I also got a refill of, so the same brand. I love this dry shampoo, by the way. It's amazing. It's non-greasy. It doesn't make your hair like go weird and wacky, but it's the same brand as my dry shampoo, so I thought it can't be that bad, right? The dry shampoo works really good in my hair. I'm sure the hair mask is going to be just fine. So I actually haven't even smelt this or anything. I've got no idea what this is even going to do. It doesn't smell bad, just smells like a hair mask. It just says repairing hair mask, good for very dry hair. Now, I thought this would be a bit of fun. I didn't need this, but I've been hearing a lot of stuff about Palmer's body oils, and this one is a coconut scented one. It smells amazing, by the way, and it doesn't give you that like sticky, oily feeling that a lot of other body oils have in the past for me. It's just really nice. And I may or may not have got this so my boyfriend massages me more. Honestly, hot tips with Shelly. We love it. Has it been working? Yes. Yes, it has. I needed a refill of my favorite pressed powder. I've been trying other pressed powders in the past, but none of them compare to this Rimmel London one. It's just the best. It's so nice. I found a pressed powder that is kind of similar, but it does not hit the same. Like, it's the one I'm wearing now. It's from Mecca Max. It's really nice. It's cute. It's this one here. It's this one. I like it. I do really, really like it. But there's just something about this one that makes it so much better. And it's, I don't know, it makes my skin look flawless. It makes my skin look amazing. I also needed a refill of my skin tint. Now, this is my ride and die. I love this stuff. Like, I will not try any other skin tint other than this. Like, this is my forever. I found my forever skin tint. It's this Super Stay by Maybelline 24-hour skin tint. It's amazing. It's so good. Okay, if you haven't tried this, you're missing out. I use the shade 10. Oh, by the way, the pressed powder. What shade do I use? 005 silky beige because I'm a pale bitch. And honestly, it just gives you a more alive look. You can use it like off duty, literally just a bit of moisturizer, pop this on top, bit of powder, slay. So let me show you all the random bits and pieces that I got from Kmart because there's a lot. Yeah, there's a lot here. First of all, I got some sticky bras because I needed some. And then I also got these push-up ones because as an A-cup girly, these come in handy. So yeah, I got some of these, slay. Not very important, not very exciting. Speaking of not exciting, I got some AAA batteries because we need some. I don't know how well these are gonna last, but anyway, I got some batteries. I was not supposed to buy these, but here we are, obviously. I cannot, oh, my kryptonite is pajama pants, unfortunately. I am just such a sucker. I have no control when it comes to pajama pants, and I'm sorry. They're just really pretty. I'm loving the little bottom there, the little detail, the detail at the top, the little bow. I couldn't go past them. These are the rib pant in the pattern Heart Lock. I got a size 10 and these were $15. Okay, hear me out on these next ones because you guys are gonna be like, what the hell? Why? Why, bitch? They're tall, look how cute they are. I'm loving the colors. And I need to get another one of these because I think I'm gonna use these for my birthday party that's coming up, like on the table, in a little vase. I just think these are gonna look good. But they're just called Artificial Tulip Bunch for indoor use only. And I'm gonna use them outdoors for a day, so. All right, next up, I got some makeup brushes. Do I need these? Absolutely not, but look at them. I am going to be filming a Kmart makeup video in the very, very near future. So I just wanted to get some makeup brushes. So it's like a full Kmart experience, okay? I might even end up falling in love with these. Who really knows? A lot of this stuff is for the makeup video that is up and coming. So I'm just gonna quickly steamroll through this because you guys will be seeing the actual products in play very, very soon. But I got some Dewy Serum Primer. I like the sound of this, so I thought, why not? We're gonna try this. If it breaks me out, it breaks me out, okay? I also picked up this peptide treatment. It is a lip tint. I have no idea what color it's going to be. We'll find out on the day when I do the makeup about a video, but it is peppermint. It says peppermint down there. So I literally have no idea. I assume this is going to sting my lips, but we will find out. I also got this dewy blush stick in the color Nude. This is definitely a Pixie dupe. The same brand that does my eye patches. They definitely do a blush stick like this. I also got this Silk Finish Luminous Foundation just to try out. I got the shade Nude 4.0. It says it is lightweight, buildable coverage, and a luminous finish. So we're gonna see how that goes. Very excited for that. I also got two pressed powders just to try them out. This one's infused with vitamin C and this one is just like a mattifying setting powder. So I'll see which one I like on the day, but we're gonna try them out. And then I also got this long-lasting waterproof mascara. This is definitely a Better Than Sex dupe from Too Faced, I'm pretty sure. Kmart be out here duping everything, like slay. So really excited to try this. I always get a waterproof mascara because my eyes, they're just unpredictable. And then lucky last for the makeup video, I just bought these lashes to try. I think these are really, really cute for Kmart, and I love a small lash. I don't like a full length lash because number one, I have quite small eyes, so I don't have a lot to work with, and two, I have hooded eyes. Makes it even worse, goddamn. So a smaller lash, like this one, for example, just on the corner will make my eyes pop in a really nice way, hopefully. So can't wait to use them, exciting. I got a pink toothbrush, cannot wait to try this because I think I said in the video, but I had a green one and I loved my green one. It was from a different brand though, and it just doesn't charge anymore. Makes me really sad, and I just feel like my teeth are not clean enough with just using a regular toothbrush. Like I know they are because I floss and like I do all the mouth washing and stuff, but it just doesn't feel as clean in comparison to when I use an electric toothbrush. Like this is just a game changer. Once you go electric, you never go back. Love this color. It looks so much better than it does on the box. It's the exact same pink, but it looks better in person. I love this pink. Put that on there. We have a toothbrush. This is actually adorable, and it's soft bristles as well. It's not hard and crunchy. You know those toothbrushes that are just so crunchy and hard and it's ridiculous to brush your teeth with? Yeah, I love that color. It's such a pretty pink, and it comes with a spare head, charging cord. bag. I don't even need this. I did not even need this, but I bought some bath salts, some sprinkle bath salts, okay? Hear me out. Like, I love the idea of having a fun bath, you know? Like, why is it only ever for kids, you know? Just because I'm an adult does not mean I cannot have sprinkles in my bathtub, okay? I want to have sprinkles in my bathtub. It says on the lid, I have a scoop inside. I'm going to assume it's like inside somewhere. Oh, there it is. I found it. Give me that scoop. Oh, cute. It's pink. We love that. Yeah, that went all through my rug. Okay, cool. Cannot wait to give it a try and see if I end up with a full body rash. We're going to find out. But I love this. I just think this is a bit of fun. Last but not least, I bought this massive body wash for $8 from Kmart, obviously. What am I saying? But this is a dupe for a brand called Soap and Glory, I'm pretty sure. They're at Mecca. I showed it in the video. And I almost actually bought the body wash from Soap and Glory. But it was quite a small container and it was like $25. And I was like, And when I saw this one in Kmart for $8 for the size, it's a pretty big bottle. I was like, you know what? Let's give it a go. And if I hate it, then it's only $8. I've got no idea what this actually smells like because I couldn't smell it in the store. You know what that smells like? You know the sex wax car diffusers? You know, like the little circle? That kind of smells like that. It's actually really nice. Okay, for $8 from Kmart, duping Soap and Glory. This smells pretty good. How many? It's 750 mils. So not the biggest bottle you've ever seen, but it's pretty good in comparison to the market out there with body washes. This is everything that I got from my shopping haul. That was everything. And I really hope you guys enjoyed today. Once again, I'm so sorry for making you wait for this haul. I'm so sorry. Like, I didn't want to be that bitch, but I ended up being that bitch and I'm so sorry. So I hope it was worth it. I hope you had fun today. If you did, don't forget to give me a orange emoji down below in the comments when you leave a little comment. Also be sure to leave a little like and subscribe down below, and be sure to check out my other videos as well because it supports me so much more than you know. Like, I'm so incredibly grateful. Anyway, I gotta go find a home now for all this stuff. So I appreciate you guys for watching today's video. Love you so much, and I'll see you in my video next time I upload. So bye.